Welcome to Modern Dental Group, the leading dental prosthetics provider, distributor, and consultant with a global footprint. With our operations in over 23 countries, we are serving more than 3 million patients annually, supported by a team of over 5,000 experienced dental technicians globally, dedicated to delivering exceptional care. Our comprehensive and innovative digital solutions empower dental professionals, enabling us to successfully deliver over 800,000 digital cases worldwide every year. Modern Dental Europe, a proud branch of our group, is your dedicated partner in shaping the future of dentistry. As a digital leader powerhouse, we have been operating one of the largest milling centers in Europe for over 6 years, located in Emmerich, Germany, specializing in milling dentures and zirconia crowns and bridges. With over 20 service centers across 11 European countries, we handle over 4,000 patient cases daily, ensuring trust and top quality products. In addition to our milling expertise, we are at the forefront of the 3D printing revolution in dentistry. This innovative process allows us to create highly precise dental models, surgical guides, and custom prosthetics directly from digital scans. We are also one of the largest iOS dealers in Europe, having sold well over 8,000 scanners. Our mission? To think digital and be digital. We support our clients in transitioning from a traditional clinic to a fully digital dentistry workflow, offering innovative tools that save time, enhance treatment options, and boost patient experience. Modern Dental Europe facilitates the entire ecosystem with advanced prosthetic solutions, robust service and support, and ongoing research and development. Modern Dental Europe offers ongoing education, including an e-learning platform, workshops, interactions, and online seminars at our very own World Dental Academy, enhancing your horizons with the most up-to-date digital solutions and sharing the latest digital trends. Explore our scanner portfolio featuring 3Shape, Medit, and Electra, complete with training for advanced implant strategies. Enhance patient compliance with our Smile Design tools and embrace minimal invasive techniques with our Align and Restore treatment. OptiShade and OptiCrown, a smart aesthetic solution for digital shade determination. With aesthetics, choose from FIT and Zernier veneers for the perfect solution tailored to every patient. Our All-on-X system ensures precise implant positioning for full arch restorations, while ProShape abutments deliver exceptional function and stability. Discover our digital dentures crafted in Germany, offering an intelligent workflow with eFull Fusion for seamless prosthetics and enhanced efficiency. Introducing Trio Clear, a leading clear aligner system that combines aligner and prosthetic treatments for outstanding clinical results. Modern Dental Europe empowers your everyday dental practice with comprehensive solutions for complete dental workflows. Partner with us and unleash the transformative power of digital dentistry.